In this video, I will show you how you can fix the FaceTime microphone issue on any iPad. Now, if you're facing microphone issues while using FaceTime on your iPad, and if you want to fix this issue, first of all, just remove any cover or case which you might have applied on your iPad, and after that, just check the microphones of your iPad. Now, if you have noticed that the microphones of your iPad has been blocked by some dust or debris, just use a soft brush and clean the microphones of your iPad. After you've done that, now on your iPad, just open the control center and go to the connection section. And from here, just turn off Bluetooth. Now, sometimes when Bluetooth is enabled on your iPad might automatically connect to your Bluetooth headphones, and this might be why the microphones are not working on your iPad. So make sure you turn off Bluetooth. After you do that, now just perform a force restart on your iPad. To do that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then quickly press and hold the side button on your iPad until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release the side button. And once the force restart process has been completed, then just check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Now on this page, just scroll down and look for the option for microphone. Now over here, if you find the option for FaceTime in the app list over here, just enable the toggle for FaceTime from here. But if you're unable to find FaceTime in this app list, you can skip this step. After that, just go back to the main settings page and tap on Apps, and from this app list, just look for FaceTime. From here, just disable the toggle for FaceTime. After that, just wait for a couple of seconds, then re-enable FaceTime. Now just wait for a couple of seconds for FaceTime to fully activate. And once you have activated FaceTime, then just go to your home screen and check if the microphone of your iPad is working in FaceTime or not. Also check if the issue is only with FaceTime or not. Now if you have noticed that the microphone is not working only in FaceTime, then just go to your home screen and go back to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on General. Under the General settings, just tap on Transfer or Reset iPad, then tap on Reset. And from this pop-up menu, just select Reset All Settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN and select Reset. And by doing that, you will not delete any data of your iPad. You will just reset all the settings of your iPad. But if you have noticed that the microphone is not working in any app on your iPad, then you might have a hardware problem with the microphone of your iPad. Just take your iPad to any service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix the microphone issue in FaceTime on any iPad. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.